Have you ever thought that your thoughts are what shape your reality? If you want to turn your dreams into reality, you must understand that imagination is not just a process of dreaming. It is a powerful scientific reality. Let's understand how the brain turns imagination into reality and how you can use this power in your life. Our mind does not merely collect information, it actually creates reality. Neuroscience tells us that what we repeatedly think deeply affects our mind, behavior, and results. That means if we continue to imagine success, happiness, and motivation, the brain develops the very network that responds to those emotions. Neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity means your brain can change with new thoughts, new experiences, and new ideas. When you think or learn something new, your brain creates new neural pathways. So if you let go of negative thinking and adopt creative, positive, and purposeful thinking, your brain can change the direction of your life. Mirror neurons are brain cells that help us feel other people's emotions and actions, even just by watching or imagining them. When you imagine success, purpose, or confident moments, the same system is activated in your brain, as if you're actually doing those things. That's why many athletes and successful people improve their performance through mental rehearsal. Your subconscious mind is constantly absorbing messages day and night. What you repeatedly think and feel becomes a file in your subconscious, and that file becomes your automatic habits, decisions, and emotions. Through imagination, we can create new beliefs and a new reality in the subconscious. Practice imagination for 5 minutes daily. Close your eyes and clearly feel the life of your dreams. Repeat positive words with your imagination like, "I believe in myself. My success is near." Include emotions. Don't just see. Feel as if you've already achieved your goal. Repetition. Repeat the visualization daily, when you wake up and before you sleep. Remember, imagination is not just a thought. It is your real power. If you use it the right way, you can change your thinking, behavior, and destiny. Start today. Train your thinking, teach your mind to imagine, and give your life a new direction. If you liked the video, give it a like. Tell us in the comments, what are you imagining? Don't forget to subscribe so more scientific and motivational videos can keep reaching you.